Welcome back to World Drum Club. I'm Kalani. It's time to play Guess the Sound! So your question is, what instrument is making this sound? Is it A, cajon? Is it B, djembe? Or is it C, conga drum? And the correct answer is djembe. If you got that right, leave a comment saying, I got it right, and challenge your friends to do the same. But don't put the answer in the comments. Make your friends come up with it for themselves. And if you didn't know, now you know. I'll see you in another episode of Guess the Sound! World Drum Club.